The Brother Mobile Deploy app cannot be used on Brother's inkjet, laser printers or scanners. To see which products this video applies to, visit the Google Play or Apple Store and look in the Compatible Machines section to see if your printer is listed. This video forms part of a series of videos on this subject. In this video we're going to focus on using a previously created Azure table with the Brother Mobile Deploy app. Links to other videos can be seen in the video description. Requirements. An Azure table has already been created, you have a Dropbox account or a HTTPS server, and the Brother Mobile Deploy app is installed. The Brother Mobile Deploy app needs to send at least one BLF file to the Brother Mobile printer. Once it has done that, it will collect printer information, which is then stored in an Azure table. We need to combine the URL that was created when sending BLF files with the Azure table URI. If you don't know about the BLF file URL, watch the Use the Brother Mobile Deploy app to send a BLF file video. In this example, we can see the URL used by the Brother Mobile Deploy app to send BLF files. We can also see the URI from the Azure table. Let's take a more detailed look at what's happening. This part launches the Brother Mobile Deploy app. This is the Dropbox URL. For more information on how to create this URL, watch the video shown in the description. This is an extra piece of text you need to add to the end of the Dropbox URL. This is the URI from the Azure table. For more information on how to create this URI, watch the video shown in the description. This is what the total URL looks like using the method 1 way of working. This is what you would include in the email. This is what the total URL looks like using the method 2 way of working. Use this method if method 1 does not work. For a reminder about the differences between method 1 and method 2, watch the video shown in the description. Send an email to the person or people who are using the Brother printer using the method that works for you. When tapped, the Mobile Deploy app loads. Click Update. This will make the app contact Dropbox or the HTTPS server based on the URL that's in the email link. The mobile printer will update itself based on the JSON file settings. Please note that after every successful update, if you wish to perform another update, you must change the version information in the JSON file stored in Dropbox. The update completes. The process is finished. The BLF file has been sent to the printer, and at the same time the Azure table provided in the URL has been updated with the printer information. It's also possible to use the force update function to push the BLF files to the printer. This will also update the Azure table without having to change the version number information in the JSON file. The method of creating the URL if you're using a HTTPS server is the same as the Dropbox method. The only difference is the URL points to your HTTPS server rather than Dropbox. Check the Azure table you created has received the printer information. If it does, you're now able to create a report using Microsoft Power Tools. For more information, watch the videos in the description. Thank you.